Have you ever wanted to make text look like it's being written in real time? By a hand, on a blackboard, right in front of your face? Stick around for this Canva trick that will wow your audience. To make this animation, I'll click on Video, open a new page, and then go to Elements. Next, I need a chalkboard background, so go to Graphics. I'll choose this one. If you're on the paid plan, any of these will work. But if you're not, choose one that does not have the crown on it. I'll make it fill the whole page. Next, I need a hand-holding chalk to write. You can a graphic, like one of these. Remember, these are paid. So if you're on the free plan, you might need to go to Pixabay or some other source to find a free one to use. You can also go to Photos and see if there's one here, like this. It is free. I think I'm going to choose this one inside the graphics area. I'll enlarge it so that I can see the hand. I like that it has a long arm. For now, I'll pull it right down here. Next thing, I need to add some text. I'll enlarge it a little and center it. Let's write something. Now I'll take this and animate it. Go to Animate. Look at some of these suggestions. Make sure that you have the text chosen, not the page. I think I'm going to stick with typewriter, so I'll just choose that. Make sure it's set to on Enter. You can change your speed as needed. For now, I'll just leave it about where it is. Click on Position, go to Layers, and then just pull it to the top here. Now it's on top of the writing. Go to Animate, click on the B, and now move it across. You can drag it straight, but if you wiggle it a little, it looks more like the hand is writing these letters. It won't be perfect, but it gets the point across. You can always change your speed as needed. So just play with it. If you don't like the path it's going, delete it and do it again. After you've done it a few times, you will get better at it. So you'll have to play with this a little to get the timing just right. It takes practice, but this video gives you the general idea of how to do this. It could be a fun thing to use in video lessons or presentations. If you have any problems with the speed or making the two match up, always go to the speed settings and change that up. And if you don't like the hands path, you can always delete it and redo that too. So, have fun with this, and I'll see you in the next lesson.
If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.